Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kalpana Yadav. In this video, I'll talk about the question that is asked for the maximum number of times on my DMs or YouTube video comment section, and that is, am I eligible to take this exam, to take this food safety officer exam? So there are lots of comments like I have done my graduation in nutrition and dietetics and I am pursuing my masters. Am I eligible to take this exam? After PG diploma in nutrition, क्या मैं eligible हूँ FSO के लिए है? BSc बायोटेक्नोलॉजी CFSO एग्जाम के लिए एलिजिबल है क्या? प्लीज रिप्लाई. आफ्टर PG डिप्लोमा इन न्यूट्रिशन, क्या मैं एलिजिबल हूँ FSO के लिए? I have completed my masters in food and nutrition. Am I eligible to apply for FSO? B Pharma वाले एग्जाम दे सकते हैं क्या? I am a student of hotel management. Can I apply for this exam? Like this, there are lots of queries regarding the eligibility criteria for food safety officer exam. So let's first discuss the minimum education qualification that is required for this food safety officer post. So all the things related to the food safety officer qualification, powers and duties are mentioned under the Food Safety and Standards Rule 2011 Chapter 2, which is Enforcement Structure and Procedures. So let's see what exactly is written under the qualifications requirement of food safety officer exam under this rule. And since it is mentioned under the FSSAI 2011, educational qualifications will always remain the same. If you will see the notification of any state FSO exam or central FSO exam, educational qualification criteria will always be the same. So let's see what exactly is written in that rules. So let's read the qualifications that are mentioned under these rules. So it says that food safety officer shall be a whole-time officer and shall on date on which he is appointed possesses the following, and these are the degrees or qualifications that are required. So it says a degree in food technology or dairy technology or biotechnology or oil technology or agricultural sciences or veterinary sciences or biochemistry or microbiology or master's degree in chemistry or degree in medicine from a recognized university. So you must have a bachelor's degree in food technology, dairy technology, biotechnology and other degrees that I mentioned earlier, or master's degree in chemistry or degree in medicine. So here it is clearly mentioned the name of the degrees or name of the subjects in which you must possess a degree to take this FSO exam. And if you have degrees in like nutritional sciences, B Pharma, hotel management or MSc in zoology, biology, hotel management, food and nutrition, then you will not be eligible to take this exam. Now for example, I'll also show you the various notifications of different state FSO exam that were released from like 2017 to till now, and we'll see the educational qualifications that they have asked for this exam. So now I think you will have a clarity regarding the educational qualifications requirement for this post. So now let's discuss the second most important question that is asked is, I am in the final year of my graduation or any qualifying degree, and so am I eligible to take this exam or not? So in most of the notifications, it is clearly mentioned that you must possess a degree on the closing date of application. So for example, closing date of any application is like 1st January 2023. So you must have your degree, means you must have your result declared of final semester of qualifying degree before 1st January 2023. So now let's move to the next question, which is there a requirement of experience for food safety officer post? So the answer is any fresher who fulfills the minimum educational criteria will be eligible for this food safety officer post. No experience is required. So now let's move to the final question, which is what is the age limit for this post? So age limit can vary according to the states and central. If we see the central FSO notification, the age limit that was mentioned was from 21 to 30 years, and but for states, like if we discuss about the Haryana FSO, it was mentioned from 21 to 42. If we see the Andhra FSO notification, age mentioned was from 18 to 42. In Odisha, it was 21 to 32. Age can vary, and the relaxations that are given to reserved categories are fixed. I think like for SC/ST 5 years, for OBC 3 years. I'll mention and provide the link of all the notifications of FSO exams that I have shown in this video. So you can go through all the notifications and get your doubts cleared and prepare according to that. So that's it for today's video, and I hope this information was very helpful to you. And if you find this video useful, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet in the next video.